So this kitty was just playing in the dishwasher. And Thor is challenging that kitty. He says that's not done. He thinks that Thor is stalking the youngster. Even though Thor is himself a youngster. And here's a second kitty playing in the dishwasher with Thor chaperoning. I think disapproving also, but uh-oh. Now Thor's thinking about going in. He's thinking, why didn't I ever think of doing that myself? Because he thought better of it, that's why. Good kitty, Thor. Good chaperoning. What are you doing, little guy? According to the veterinarian, you are kitten number 1. But you just did number 2 on our fireplace hearth, though, didn't you? Didn't you? You did. In fact, we found where you'd done another one and we hadn't seen it yet. That's not the way we clean our dishes. This is a dishwasher, it does it itself. Thank you, though. Thank you. All finished with that? No, a little bit more? Okay. Good kitty cat.